cleaning up a 350 Chevrolet. It's a good wrench crate motor that came out of a truck. This is going to be for the El Camino build. I say build, but it's going to be just a resurrection. Don't be shy, you're going to be in it anyway. Waiting for Parker to get back. This is a group effort.
Tell some history of the motor before you tear it apart, before you start taking it down. Tell some history of the motor before you start taking it apart.
And you got to speak up.
Drove back from South Dakota 1,200 miles with a dead cylinder. We need to figure out why the cylinder was dead. It was the number 7 cylinder, not the number 8. That was dead. A little gunky.
Block or a long block?
I don't know if I put the head back on this time yet or not.
I don't think we can pull that off.
I want to look at the cylinder to make sure everything's good before I decide to do something with it.
Where you decide to come further.
I want to make sure it's worth messing with. So then on top of that.
Look at that.
It's got a ping in it.
The bottom.
The smash up there?
Yep.
It looks like wood. It looks like it's in contact. Or somebody backed it out. It got crushed. Or somebody
Smack
beat
it.
it out. Somebody probably hammered it out.
As far as the history of the motor, prior to us buying the crew cab truck, we had no clue.
I believe it was a gear wrench crate motor. Valve covers. Don't have a way of verifying that.
We will find out when we get in the bottom end of it for sure.
Matt, you have that track?
Yep.
There's the culprit. There's why number 7 was dead. Valve springs broke. One don't look like the other. Y'all know me. Piece of valve.
That's a pebble. A magnet?
Right over there at the top of the machine up there.
Alright. Intake's off. It's pretty clean. And we're finding rocks in the intake.
Push rod's clean. I think it's rock. It ain't beat up.
You got a vacuum?
Shot back.
Find me a red rag.
Oh, red.
Just a rag. Shop rag.
Flat tappet.
So it is a flat tappet.
Why so specific
Lifter
red?
looks. It's going to be a set of lifters in it.
I can't tell if it is.
Wipe it. Wipe that off.
Oh, those are the rockers, right? This is your rockers. Valve springs, valve. This valve here is exhaust. This valve's your intake. So it goes to this one. That's the water pump. Rough on it. I'll make left and spin it to the side. Yeah, it's okay. These are like 3 times the size of the Honda rockers. They're like 3 times the size of the
It ain't
Honda
got no
rocker.
groove in it yet, so we're good. Definitely one we need to run some zinc now. That's LS, isn't it? Over there.
It's a 350, right?
Yes. Yes. Let's take for it.
Back up to the altar.
Taking the heads off of it now, so disassembling them.
Back them up to the front. You gotta put it back and just take them out. Do one at a time. Yeah, no. We need a new camera.
And then what? Oh, it's white. I was afraid of that.
I thought it was okay, but it's not.
See, they're supposed to look like that,
Yes.
not that. So this one's going to get a cam and lifters in it.
We'll need a cam and lifters.
Alright. Do we do valve springs while we're at it?
We'll do it all.
Unfortunately.
No. It needs a new cam and lifters. There wasn't a which there's going to be a little dip.
You ready for a splinter yet?
The what?
You ready for a splinter yet?
I'm alright right now. We're working the AC.
Beats the old way out in the sun. Done that a few times in my life. Didn't like it.
I've been tearing down this Honda engine that I bought. And we ain't got no AC to the man right now. Not fresh enough. I just told Parker he better not put it in the ditch or in. I can't get on that one.
In the trees. Hey,
Still gonna build it budget minded.
something with a Chevrolet truck comes to mind.
I could have stopped 79.
Hey, talking about high school, how come my Ford became his Ford? Yeah.
I love that truck.
This thing came back 1,200 miles from South Dakota on those two. This one never worked. That one did. That's number 8. It's never worked a day in its life.
There's the timing chain. I'd say it's got a little wear on it. Got the bolt. Don't look terrible so far. Yeah. It's got some wear, but
It lasts load. You can see where it.
yeah, it's starting to flatten it off. Round it off anyway.
Look at that load.
That one's white. It's white.
Yeah.
That was the bad. That was this one.
Yes.
As you can see right there, you get a good video or picture of it.
Video.
That was our wiped out cam load.
You see where it starts, its friction edge, and where it ends it. It's almost flat. If you get it from the other angle, it's hard to see. But that was the intake side, wasn't it?
So look at this one. That one was starting.
Starting, but it wasn't there yet. That one
was
wasn't
bad. That one's starting. That's good. That one's good. Yeah, those two right there were nubbed off. That one too.
Aftermarket cam.
Is it?
Seven 715 8. Lunate.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Lunati.
I don't know what that is.
Look at that in there, Pat.
What is it? Where's the flashlight?
Oh, that is something.
That's their count. They weighed it. It's
that's-
weld. So that was a weld BB that was rolling around in there.
Sure
It
enough.
wasn't magnetic, but it
It
was.
felt magnetic.
Yeah.
That was a weld BB rolling around. So this is it's been balanced. And then
Well, that's what I was looking at. Is this is.
so look at this side. It's full of weld too, right here.
Oh yeah, sure enough.
They didn't clean the slag off.
Well, they got it balanced, so they didn't.
4-bolt main. But if you notice, that doesn't look like factory or what normal factory bolts. The nuts are also, man, I don't know.
Well, I mean, whoever
This
built
is a
GM's
GM
crate motor.
Yeah,
I mean,
freight motor, so
I want to know what the silver bone is.
gonna find out as soon as we pull the heads off.
Let's go ahead and pull the hook on. Front one looks decent. That one's trash.
Oh. Yeah, that one is trashed.
Yeah. So second
what
from
this
the
is
front
here
is okay-ish.
So what
Where?
this is the BBs and crap we found in the motor.
Oh.
From where they welded the
Whatever
the
trash is
babbitt
in
or whatever it is
That's
in the
what
front.
that is. That got in the oil system and went through the...
This one's in the middle. You turn it off. And this is the middle.
through the top one.
Showing some copper, some wear.
Don't
Yeah.
do the other side. Just pull them down even.
That rear main's gonna tell the tale. Didn't you
Say again.
that rear main's gonna tell the tale?
Now do the other side.
Is this one?
He hadn't finished what he's going
About to pull the rear main.
So if the rear main is trash,
Oh.
we know. Oh my God! Look.
I'm not seeing the
Looks
motor.
like-
It's in better shape than the other one.
Yeah.
Or scarring.
Scarring.
But it is,
It's fixed to really get nasty. So basically, these three in the middle three, 1, 2, 3, which would be your second cap, third cap, fourth cap, is not in good shape at all. Look at this.
Not really.
Dude, they chewed up the rear main. Just on the top, where the seal, yeah, it's broken. Did this one leak real bad on the back? Broke the edge. But the bearing also will come out.
This is number 2 rod cap. And that's the bearing to it.
Not terrible, but
Not
it does have a
terrible.
groove.
It does have a groove, yeah. This next morning, I stopped early and I'm gonna make this a 2-parter. We've got some parts we gotta gather up. But I got stuff in the meantime. This is a future project, 73 Opel GT. It very far in the future. But like I said, I got projects for right now. But I'll see y'all on the next one.